Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the AXO. Now today we have a very special project to do here in the AXO studio. So a company called Fractal Design, which is based in Göteborg or Gothenburg, which is based in Sweden. I hope I got that name right. They've been making PC cases primarily and have expanded into cooling solutions as well as power supplies and other PC accessories. Now the company's idea philosophy is based on design and function rather than flair and fanfare. So there's not a lot of RGB going on, but it's more on designs that are more practical and functional. So that rings true in the company's newly launched Meshify 2 PC case. And yes, that is a refresh of the ever popular Fractal Design Meshify PC case, and the company has agreed to send us one, which we have right here. So the Meshify 2 PC case that was sent to us is a mid-size ATX version, which comes in the black TG variant, where TG means tempered glass, whereas if you got the black solid version, that wouldn't have any window for you to see through to your parts. So here we have the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S36 Prisma CPU water cooling system. Now it has a glass top with 6 LED ARGB ring, automatic temperature control, a combined fan and RGB hub, as well as 3 Prisma AL12 PWM ARGB fans included. As for the power supply, this is the Fractal Design Ion Plus 860p power supply that is fully modular and it has the 80 plus platinum efficiency. The Meshify 2 is a performance-oriented ATX mid-tower with an emphasis on flexibility, cooling, and bold aesthetics. So the Fractal Design Meshify 2 PC case has the iconic angular mesh design that provides filtered airflow with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. It also has a spacious and extensively adaptable dual layout interior that easily accommodates large motherboards up to and including 285mm eATX formats. Now it also has support for radiators up to 360mm in the front, 420mm up top, or 280mm in the base in the default open layout. It includes 6 hard disk or SSD trays, 2 SSD brackets, and 12 universal multi-brackets for mounting up to 10 drives. It is also expandable to 14 trays and 4 SSD brackets with 3 multi-brackets installed in the top and bottom for a max of up to 21 drives in storage layout mode. The new chassis design opens up to fully expose the case interior on 3 sides for totally unhindered installation and cable routing. The new front nylon filter can easily be removed for increased airflow. The new front panel design with hinge removable mesh and tether-free bezels for easier access to front fan mounts. There are 3 front USB ports, which include one USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C that has fast charging support and speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. There's also the ultra slim Nexus Plus 2 fan hub that connects up to 3 PWM fans and 6 3-pin fans directly in line with cable channels along the edge of the case. It also has a cooling capacity with a total of 9 120 or 140mm fan mounts and 3 pre-installed Dynamic X2 GP14 fans. The PSU cable shield is fully detachable and it has integrated cable guides with Velcro straps that further simplify the cable management behind the board. The versatile multi-bracket allows you to convert any unused fan position to a hard disk, SSD, or pump mount. There are also 2 vertical GPU slots for use with the Flex Series PCIe riser, which unfortunately is available separately. The ventilated PSU shroud also has a 2-part removable cover for optimal cable concealment and front radiator support. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 is toolless and has top latching side panels that allow quick access while preventing accidental drops. So now that you know the Meshify 2 PC case a little better, I think it's time we start the PC building process. Okay, so it took us the entire day, and the Fractal Design Meshify 2 PC case, the PC build is finally fully migrated into the PC itself. We'll give you a closer look at it later, but I just want to say a couple of words how easy it is to use the Meshify 2 PC case. So with the Fractal Design Meshify 2 PC case, I had no trouble whatsoever in migrating my parts from the old build to this casing. The absolute #1 feature that I love about it is the removable top. Like, okay, not just the top, but most of the parts of the Meshify 2, you can actually remove them, and that gives you a lot more space for you to work with, especially when it comes to cable management. And when you're trying to reach all those 3 pins and 4 pins, all those nook and crannies that you want to get to that are really tight, that is absolutely amazing. Fractal Design really put a lot of thought, and they prioritized convenience for the end user. Like, the entire case is just built with simplicity in mind, and of course convenience. So like the front, it's easily, it can be opened, so you can access the internals, or if you want to clean the fan in the front. I also love that the Fractal Design Meshify 2 is almost toolless. Now when it comes to, you know, installing on the motherboard and everything, of course, yes, that requires a screwdriver, but that's basically it. Like, I didn't need any other tools, because opening up the PC case is simply a matter of push and pull. On the top, you can install your radiators. You can position them wherever you want. You want them more towards the back, more towards the front, that's up to you. Because the rails are just free, so you can easily just move them around, and their screw-in slots are not fixed. And on the management cable side of things, there are a lot of parts and places where you can tuck away your cables and, you know, hide them and organize them all neatly into specific paths, like towards the middle and the sides. You have the Velcro ties that can be built right into the PC case itself, so you can just tie them and lock all the cables into one place. There are also these grommets where you can just place the cables in there and keep them in place. And on the top of the casing as well, where at the edge of the casing, there is this ultra slim Nexus Plus 2 fan hub that lets you connect up to, you know, 3 PWM fans and 6 3-pin fans directly in line with the cable channels, which run along, you know, along the edge of the case. So if you're someone who's into RGB, you can swap them out if you like, or like me, you can just add some RGB elements here and there with LED strips, which is one that I placed at the front here. Okay, enough talking. I know most of you are here to look at a closer look of the Fractal Design Meshify 2 PC case with a PC build in it. That's all from me for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like if you like this video. If you don't like it, leave a comment, tell us why, and we'll improve from there. My name is Terry, and enjoy the B-roll.